Good morning, wow kids. So kids, as we know, Diwali is nearby. So kids, today we will make a Diwali card. And for making Diwali card, we will need 2 color papers. And kids, you may take color papers of your choice. 1 golden glitter sheet, some sketch colors, pencil and a Fevicol. So kids, let's start. So kids, first we will take a red color sheet and we will fold it into half in this way. And now kids, again we will fold this paper into half in this manner. So kids, see here we got lines on the paper and now we will cut this paper into strips. Kids, see we got 4 strips and now we will take one of the strip and we will do a fan folding in this manner. Yes, kids, you all know how to do. Yes, we will do a fan folding. So kids, see here I have done fan folding of 3 strips. Yes, and now I will take one fan folding and fold it from middle in this way. Yes, now we will apply little glue over here in this manner. Yes, and now we will stick it from middle like this. Similarly kids, I will stick the other 2 fan folding also. And kids, now I will take the golden color sheet and will turn upside down. And kids, we will draw 3 flames in this manner. Yes, like this. Similarly, I will draw 2 more flames like this. And after that, we will cut them. So see kids, it will be something like this. And now we will keep them aside and we will take another sheet and again we will fold this into half in this way like this. Yes, and now kids, we will take a pencil and will make some design. You may make kids design of your choice. We have completed the borders and now we will stick the diyas. So we will take this fan folding and we will apply glue on it in this way. We will apply little glue and we will stick it in this manner. And kids, what diya has? Yes, a flame. So again we will apply glue on this and we will stick it here in this manner. And similarly we will stick the other 2 diyas also. So kids, now we will take a sketch color of our choice and we will color this border line. So let's start coloring. So we will make a design over here in this way and we will color it. So kids, see we have done the coloring also and now we will write Happy Diwali. So take a pencil and we will write a Happy Diwali in this way. Yes, now kids, we will take the sketch colors and we will color this also. So take a sketch of your choice and draw over it in this way. So kids, see our Diwali card is ready.